Here are my Givi ST609 Sport T-Range Easylock saddlebags installed on my Yamaha FZ-09. It's a 2014 model. I was running the Givi racks for a few years and decided to spring for the actual ST609 Sport T-Range saddlebags. And as you can see, they look good on the bike. They're nice quality. I just thought I'd make a little video showing how to install and remove them. Givi gives you 4 of these keys, 2 to use and 2 as spares. Simply ensure the bag's unlocked, put it on the rack, pull up into place and push down on the back plastic, turn the key and the bag is locked into place. To remove, simply undo the clasp, push down on the back plastic and pull up on the handle and lift off the frame. So there you have it. That's how you unlock the Givi ST609 saddlebags. I hope this video helps if you have these bags. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.